Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Ninjatrader to TradingView. This integration allows you to leverage TradingView's powerful charting and analytical tools while utilizing Ninjatrader's robust order execution capabilities. It's a fantastic way to combine the strengths of both platforms, giving you a comprehensive trading setup. You'll be able to analyze markets on TradingView and then execute your trades seamlessly through your Ninjatrader account, enhancing your overall trading experience. Before connecting, ensure you have active accounts for both platforms. A crucial step is subscribing to the TradingView add-on within your Ninjatrader account dashboard, which typically costs around $9.99 per month. This add-on enables the connection. Also, remember that a Ninjatrader market data subscription is necessary to view data on TradingView. You do not need a separate TradingView data subscription for this purpose. To establish the connection, first log into your TradingView account and open the Super Charts platform. At the bottom of the page, locate and click on the trading panel. From the list of supported brokers, select Ninjatrader. You will then be prompted to enter your Ninjatrader username and password. After entering your credentials, click Connect, and your accounts should link, allowing you to trade directly. Once connected, you can place orders, modify positions, and manage trades directly from TradingView's interface, with execution happening through Ninjatrader. If you encounter any connection issues, first double-check your login credentials for both platforms. Often, simply logging out and back into both TradingView and Ninjatrader can resolve minor glitches. Remember, some advanced order types, like OCO orders, might require specific handling or placement directly within Ninjatrader's desktop platform.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.